face is the first place that shows your age, and your skin loses its glow sometimes, the wrinkles take over. But today, I'm revealing how you can sip your way to healthier skin with the Better Skin Drink menu. You're gonna love this. Joining me is dermatologist Dr. Dendi Engelman. She's gonna break it down for all of us. You get this. To be clear, the average person listening right now says, you know, I go for the creams, I go for the scrubs, all zany things that are out there, but you actually argue that it's not the outside that's most critical.
That's right. We always focus on taking care of our skin from the outside in. But little known fact, we should actually be focusing from the inside out. Skin is our largest organ in the body, so everything we do to the body can affect it. So it's a little known fact. We always say you are what you eat, but in reality, you actually are what you drink as well.
So you get some drinks for us, very exciting options. So we put a few viewers on this program. Come on over.
Okay.
The Better Skin Drink menu. Notice, by the way, they're covering their faces for you. We want to see how they're going to do with this program. They've all been on it for a couple of days at least, and they have their before pictures here. Very interesting pictures, by the way. Are we ready to see their results? Yeah. Drop a wall. See what you got here. Oh my goodness. But that's a big difference.
Yes.
Are you happy with that?
I'm absolutely happy with it. I experiment often with different ingredients for cleanse protocols, and right away, like, totally, the chin acne went away overnight.
Great.
And how about you? How did it work for you?
I'm amazed that, especially around my lips, I get very dry at night, and no matter how much I moisturize in the morning, I'm still extremely dry. And I did it for 24 hours, and I can't believe how it was so moist naturally.
As fast as you mentioned. Let me see. Good, 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 good. Let me see yours.
This looks like a prison picture. It looks like orange is the new black.
Well, you'll be happy with our drink selections. Right? I like your color, by the way. All right, so let's get to the Better Drink Skin menu. Now, you argue we have to start drinking early in the morning. What's the critical starting point?
So we always want to start, obviously we have to hydrate our body, and we have to have 8 glasses of 8 ounces per day. But then we need to start with a soy latte.
So we have a good excuse for a latte now, and you put the green drink. I happen to love green drinks.
I know you love
I have
green
them every morning. Here's my picture this morning, by the way. Pre-dawn hours, getting ready for you guys. It's not bad for 7 in the morning.
Oh, looks good.
All right, so we brought one special member of the audience. Iris, come join us. She's been on this Better Skin Drink menu for a week.
Yes.
And you have perfected it all. Now, your skin looks fabulous, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm very happy for you. Are you happy with the program?
Very much so. Saw a huge difference in just 7 days. My skin feels great. I feel like it's a real glow-getter, so to speak.
A glow-getter?
It's a glow-getter.
I like that. Thank you, Iris. Nicely done. All right. It's afternoon.
Yes.
You're having lunch. What do you drink with it?
So afternoon, I want you to have 2 cups of green tea. And we know this is packed with antioxidants. It also has things called polyphenols and catechins, which are great for protecting against ultraviolet radiation. So this is really great for your skin as well, just from a protective and an anti-aging perspective.
All right, let's move to the evening. You're having dinner, maybe before dinner drinks. What do you recommend?
So we always think about cranberry juice in the morning, but the reason I want you to reach for it in the evening is because it's going to undo a lot of the toxic effects that we've had through free radical exposure during the day.
Could you have a nice big Merlot glass of wine instead? Does that count?
Well, moving on to that, containing the same thing as red wine, resveratrol. Blueberries actually have that as well. So it's blueberry-infused water, so we're going to cut calories there because we have to be cognizant of that as well.
So you literally just add the blueberries to the water? You have to mash them up or anything?
You can mash them, or you can just chomp on them at the end, but either way.
But you got to eat the blueberries as well.
You have to eat the blueberries.
All right, then, and just to be clear, so these women have probably diligently followed every minute of this program. If you happen to miss your blueberry one day, you could have 2 cranberries.
Absolutely.
You could make an extra little green tea.
There's a lot of overlap from the benefits, so as long as you keep going with it and following the regimen, if you love blueberries and don't like cranberries, that's okay.
So it's not like a birth control pill. You can actually vary it up a little bit and still get good results.
That's right.
All right.
You can keep going.
You got to be clear about these things. All right, and if you get them all throughout the day and you do it from 1 day to 7 days, as you learn there, we'll get some better results, which is the promise here. And here's the deal. We've created for you a very simple Better Skin Drink menu. That's what it looks like. It's on droz.com. I want you to print that thing out or just email it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.